Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using After Effects for brand intro videos, full guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe After Effects and create a new project. Import your brand intro video files into the project. Drag the video files into the composition timeline. Select the video layer you want to withdraw from. Use the razor tool to cut the layer at the point where you want to start your withdrawal. Select the unwanted section of the layer and delete it. Next, go to the Effects panel. Choose an effect that suits your brand intro, such as fade or slide. Adjust the effect settings in the Effect Controls panel to create a smooth transition. You can add a keyframe at the beginning and end of the effect for smoother withdrawal. To do this, click on the timer icon next to the property you want to animate. Move the timeline marker to the point where the withdrawal. Set the initial value for the effect. Now move the timeline marker to where the withdrawal ends. Change the value to create the desired effect. Preview the animation by pressing the spacebar. Make any necessary adjustments to the timing or effects. Once satisfied, go to File and select Export. Choose Add to Render Queue from the drop-down menu. In the Render Queue panel, set your output settings. Select your desired output format and destination. Click on the Render button to start exporting your video. Wait for the rendering process to complete. After rendering, locate your exported video in the designated folder. Review the video to ensure the withdrawal effect works as intended. This completes your withdrawal process for brand intro videos using After Effects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.